This convention is for all of us. I want to show my gratitude to all of you for coming to MSA. It has been a great event. MSA conference is all about getting back together with vendors, suppliers, and then field techs.
Our in-person events are an opportunity for you to get training on the latest technology from all of our manufacturer partners that come join us, an opportunity to see what the latest technology is, and an opportunity to have a little fun.
Someone that's not here, you're missing it. You're not rubbing shoulders with other service providers and manufacturers. You're missing opportunity. You have an opportunity to work with other manufacturers, get trained by other manufacturers.
We're just thankful for MSA for allowing LG to come out to these events and being associated with the convention. We're just thankful that they allow our training to be a part of it.
It's really great to be back amongst a lot of friends that we haven't seen for some time. I think everybody's feeling really positive to be here, and especially in Las Vegas. I mean, it's just electric here.
Good afternoon, everyone. Really appreciate you all taking the time to come join us here in Las Vegas.
Our mission here at Marcone is to be your partner in successfully navigating this environment.
What is even more important for us through this event is for people to know that we mean business. When we say we are mSupply and we have right products right now, this is an example where we can showcase all our capabilities, and through our leadership team being here and all of our members, they can see and feel that we mean business when we said right products right now.
It means the world to me to actually get the one-on-one time with these people, because without the techs, like, this industry does not do what this industry does. Like, you cannot make it without techs in this industry. The real part of it starts after hours, when you start the networking and mingling with people and kind of putting the name to the brand and the face to the brand, and, you know, just getting out there with the people.
There's nothing like the appliance people. You know, it's just a real friendly kind of industry. One of the best events ever has always been the MSA conference.
We can't wait to see you at our next MSA event. I'm sure you will be happy to have invested the time and energy to come join us. Thank you again.